Alright, guys, we're going to play this game, and you have to identify notes on the staff. And the staff are the 5 lines right there. Check it out. That's the staff. And fix my arrow. Alright, the lines don't mean anything unless you put a clef. And this clef is called the treble clef. Let's draw that again because it's fun. The treble clef. That's him right there. And the clef designates this line right here to be the G line. And it's also called the G clef because the center of it makes the G. There it is. And below it, we have the E line. And we have B and D, F. And those are the lines. Some people will say, hey, this is Elvis Goes Boogieing Down Fremont Street for us Vegas folks. And let's see if we can identify a few of them. We have, the first one? Oh, that's Elvis. That would be E. The next one? Elvis Goes Boogieing Down. So that's D. Elvis Goes. G. Elvis Goes Boogieing. B. And the top line, Elvis Goes Boogieing Down Fremont. There's an F for Fremont Street. Those are the lines. Only. And what's that? Oh, a D. And we have E, F, and, G. And one more. Oh, there's B. Now, if you're not on a line, you can be on a space. And that's in between the lines, like this. And space is really easy to remember because it rhymes with face. F. A. C. E. From the bottom to the top, and there's a face. Let's name some. There's C. And another. Oh, bottom one. That's F. And the top one, F-A-C-E. That's an E. And that's an A. So when you see notes, you have to decide, is it covering a line or covering a space? And for lines, just use Elvis Goes Boogieing Down Fremont. And for space, rhymes with face. Yeah. Now we need to go to themusicinteractive.com and get the game. It works on your phone or your desktop computer, and select the treble clef. And you can do lines or spaces or both. And when you start blasting your notes with the proper letter, tell me your highest score that you get, and we'll post it in the Google Classroom. Enjoy!